Alright, so in this video, we will learn about the HTML button element. So if we want to create a button, something like this continue button, which GitHub has, or something like this icon search button, which Wikipedia has, we have to use the button element in HTML. And to do the button element, we have the button tag in HTML. So let's go here under that, and let's scroll up a little bit, and inside of the HTML you can write button, and this button tag has the the opening and the closing tag, and inside of that the text will go what you want to show. So if I do something like this, and VS Code will autocomplete, and here what you can do, you can just do click me, something like this. Okay, and if I just save, what will happen, this click me will be inside of the button. So if I go to the browser, we have this button which says click me, and now it is like showing something like, hey, this is a block level element, but it is not, it is inline as well. If I just zoom out a little bit, as you can see, everything, the input and the button are in the same line, so these are inline element. So something like, if we want to do something like continue, we can definitely write continue here, then the button text will be here. And again, these button styles are not that much great, and we can definitely override all of those inside of CSS. But yeah, this is the basic button element. Okay, when we click on this button, there is some animation, but it is not doing anything, which is expected as well. Okay, now this button element can have some type as well. So let's do type, and here we have some types. This is the first one is button, second one is menus, third one is reset, and the fourth one is submit. So most of the time when we are not using the button inside of the form, we use the type of button. But when we are inside of the form, what we can do, we can put the button type as submit. Now I believe by default, if the button is inside of a form, the type of the button is submit. So what it will do, whenever you hit the enter key on your keyboard, the form is getting submitted, right? So those sort of things are done by this. So yeah, this is basically the button element in HTML. And also I can create multiple ones. So if I do multiple buttons here, click me, and everything is inside of one line, and when it overflows, it is inside of this the second line. But the button and the input elements are inline elements by nature. All right, so next up we will learn about the form element in HTML.